Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to get this makeup look. I did this to a hen party. You might think it's a bit extreme for a hen party, but with Turkish hen parties you can go all out and it looks fine. I got a lot of people saying that they really liked my eye makeup, so I thought I would make a video on it. So if you want to see how I did it, keep on watching. So I've already primed my eyes and I've done my eyebrows. I'm going to go into the Kali Bible palette and I'm going to use this shade right here. Now you might feel like it's not making much of a difference, but it really does because the concealer is so yellow. This sort of lightens it up and it creates a nice transition from this colour to the transition shade that I'm going to use next. Now I'm going to use Creme Brulee by Makeup Geek. Just do a windscreen wiper motion, back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. Now I'm going into the Morphe 39A palette. Obviously you can use any of these transition shades here, but I really like the undertone in Creme Brulee by Makeup Geek, so that's why I went for that one. I'm going to use this colour right here. I'm going to put this colour on the outer corners. Obviously because I'm going to be doing a halo eye, I'm leaving the middle out, but I'm going to go right into the inner corners. Now obviously that is very harsh. I'm not that good at blending eyeshadows, so I'm going to grab a fluffy brush and I'm going to try and blend this line out. I think I just don't have enough patience to blend out eyeshadow. Then I'm going to go into this dark purple colour here. I'm going to take a tiny fluffy brush and put this on the outer corners. Now I'm just raising my eyebrows so I can really get in there to the inner corners. This time I'm not tapping the excess off the brush, so I'm getting even more pigment. Okay, and now I'm gonna take a fluffy brush again and blend this bit out. Okay, that's the most patience I've got with blending that out. Next I'm going to take the Maybelline the Eraser Eye Concealer and I'm going to use that to carve the centre of the eyelids. I'm going to start with the top. Going in back with the dark purple colour, which is this shade here, and I'm going to blend out this edge a little bit. I'm going to go into this shade right here. Start putting this on the lid. I did spray it with Fix Plus last time, so I'm gonna quickly grab that. Instead of Fix Plus, I'm going to try the Vitamin E Hydrating Mist by Superdrug. Now, if you look really closely, let me come in closer. If you look really closely, there's a tiny bit of concealer left at the top. I've left that on purpose. I'm going to go back into this berryish colour and I'm going to cover that last bit of concealer with the berry colour. Now I'm going to go back in with the dark purple shade and my small brush, and then I'm going to blend here. Happy with that? I'm just going to do the other eye off camera and I'll be right back. I'm now going to use the Benefit Professional Pale Primer. I used too much. This is supposed to make my face look more radiant and I honestly see no difference. For foundation, I'm going to use the NARS Sheer Glow in Jaylan and the Superstay 24-Hour Foundation by Maybelline in the shade Ivory. I didn't put too much foundation under the eyes, so it's not layered like an onion. So I'm going to use the same concealer, the Maybelline The Eraser Eye Concealer. Let's blend this out. I'll put some more around the nose here. Now I'm going to set using the RCMA No Colour Powder. Moving back to the eyes, I'm going to use Creme Brulee again. This is going to go on the lower lash line. Going back to this palette, I'm going to go straight in with the dark purple. Then I'm going to go back into this colour. So that's the colour that I used on the centre here, but I'm not going to spray it with anything this time. And I'm just going to put it in the middle so it follows through. Now I'm going to use the RCMA No Colour Powder. So hopefully this will keep that bit straight. While that is doing its thing, I'm going to use In the Spotlight, which is a foiled eyeshadow by Makeup Geek, and I'm going to put that in the inner corners of the eyes. For eyelashes, I'm going to use the Ardell Demi Wispies. While the lash glue is getting a little bit tacky, I'm just going to use the Bourjois Ultra Black Waterproof Eyeliner, just any black eyeliner that you have. And I'm going to line the top waterline and the bottom waterline. This might look a bit weird, because it does look weird and it feels weird, but it really does help the lashes blend. I'm now going to use this liquid eyeliner. This is the Rimmel Glam Eyes, and I'm just going to draw a line on the top. That's it, I'm not going to do a wing, it's just so I don't have a gap when I stick the eyelashes on. It's time to wipe this bit off. The writing's come off, but this is the L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara. I'm just going to put a little bit of that on. Now I'm going to put mascara on the bottom lashes. This is a close-up of the eyes so far. I'm saying so far, but the eyes are finished. Next, moving on to the face, I'm going to use the NYX Wonder Stick in medium tan. Put here, and pop some here just to warm up the face. Because I need that face warmed up, don't I? Go and put some here on the jawline and here. Blends like a dream, like a dream. I'm going to use this bronzer, which has been loved, as you can see. This is by Revolution. This is the Ultra Bronze Bronzer. Also put some bronzer on my neck. I'm just going to go straight in with highlights. A blinding highlight. This is the Ofra Rodeo Drive highlighter. You can use blush if you want, but there's already so much going on, so I didn't use blush, just went in straight with highlight. Highlight the Cupid's bow. I always highlight the tip of the nose, and then with my finger I highlight, whoops, the bridge of the nose. I never ever contour my nose because I'm just really bad at it, but I'm going to give it a go. I'm just going to use the bronzer for this. I don't know if that looks alright, but that looks alright, I guess. Next, onto the lips. To finish off, I'm going to use the LA Colours lip liner in Natural, and this is the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in London. I am shading them in a little bit, just like that. And as always, I have overlined my lips way too much. Now I'm going to set using the Vitamin E Hydrating Mist by Superdrug. And that is the finished makeup look. What do you think? I definitely prefer it this time round. The first time I did this makeup look, the eyeshadow wasn't blended at all. Like, at least I've blended it out a little bit more. I didn't apply black eyeliner, I didn't tight line, so you could see a clear gap between the fake eyelashes and my normal eyelashes. So yeah, definitely like it this time. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you like, and I'll see you next time. Bye.